going. Put the knife switch in. P20. Right, yeah, open up the cabinet. Put the knife switch in. Alright. You go down the other end and we'll pre-lube the engine.
Yep.
Remember which one it is? No, this one here. The next one. Bottom one. Yeah, open that up.
That's easy.
Alright, swing her open.
Now we pre-lube.
Yeah, push the pre-lube button. Push it in. There we go. Alright, shut the door. We'll leave that running for a little bit. Alright. Beautiful. Good job. Yeah?
Okay, let's go.
Alright, go back this way.
Now, do you hook me on T?
Up in the cab.
Why? We're starting it up now?
No, we just gotta wait for the pre-lube to run and then we'll start it, okay?
Okay. I'm videoing. First startup. That's what I'm trying to do.
Alright, what else do we got to do? You gonna turn it online for me?
What?
Turn her online. Turn it to run. No, other way. Switch it. Beautiful. Alright, shut that door. Oh, we're gonna pull the handbrake. You wanna pull the handbrake?
Yeah.
Pull that little lever. Pull the lever. Yep. See if the HEP will start. Beautiful.
Just had to come past the PCP there, mate, just to take it a little bit general. Yeah, you're coming past there, sure, right.
Push the button. Push the button near your
I'm
leg.
just going to make the road for you to come out on the ladder track, Paul.
Yeah, roger, Dave.
You're right, keep coming, mate.
Roger.
Keep it coming.
Speeds.
Two to go.
Two to go.
One engine length.
On we go.
One braking length to go. Right there, mate.
It's like this much.
Yeah, that's alright.
Yeah, we're through the bad part now. I'm walking down the front door here to make sure the rest of the road's facing the right way.
Yeah, roger.
Yeah, you're right. Keep it going.
Alright, so we're ready to shut down the HEP. Yep. I'll hit the button.
Okay, it's chopped.
Rightio. Now you're gonna hit the stop button for the main engine. Turn it offline first. Yep, turn that one. Turn it to start. And then hold that until it stops. Keep holding it. Keep holding it. Beautiful, good job. Alright, put the handbrake on for us. Keep going. Keep going. You need help? Yeah. Rightio, that's tight. Good job. Kick her in the guts, Spence. Hey? Kick her in the guts. It's not loud. Rev her up. Hey! 3, 4. Nah, you're going the wrong way. 4, 5, 6. That's 5, 6. Yeah. What's that? 7 or 6?
6.
Go.
7.
Yeah. One more. Rightio, back her off. Back to idle. Good job.
Good job, son.
Yeah.
You start creeping up towards me, mate.
Yeah, Roger. Heading towards you, towards Newport. Give her a 2. 2. Yep.
Gonna set one road here, but keep on coming.
Roger.
Keep it coming.
Roger, all clear.
Still all clear, keep it coming.
Roger, all clear. Yeah, push the VC button when it goes off.
Roger, keep on coming, you've got 2 to go.
Roger, 2 lengths to go.
Daddy? Daddy, can I turn this around?
On Loco length.
1 to go.
One bogey. Light.
Red light. Yeah, Roger, towards you.
On your side, walking down the 7 road point.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Just crossing over to do those point levers.
Roger.
Hey, Daddy.
Points are set, you're right.
Roger.
Just going to get on the long end, Paul.
Yeah, Roger. Jump up.
Come on, keep it going.
Roger. Down 7. Roger, 4 to go. Spencer, VC button. Click your button. The button.
What?
Button behind you.
Oh. 2-2?
Yeah.
2 to go.
What are you doing?
Yeah. That's enough.
I'm gonna do that again.
1 car to go.
1 to go.
Half to go. And if I see you, I'll open up the door, mate.
Roger. Don't.
Gonna do this. Not now, but like
Radio, level crossing clear. Shed door open, road occupied. Towards me, long end.
Roger, towards you, long end.
Half a car.
Half a car.
Bogey lane. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Red light there, Morse. In between, right to go long end into the shed, mate.
Roger, long end.
Keep it going. One bogey and I'll walk in behind you.
Roger, I'll stop here.
Radio, Bruno down, you got 2 bogey lengths, mate.
2 to go.
One bogey length to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Red light. Beautiful, mate.
Tyre up here, mate. Job's done. You're going to shut it down for me?
Yep.
Right, turn it offline. Hit the stop button. Oh, hold it down. Keep holding it. Keep holding. Right, yeah, open up the knife switch door. Yeah, and pull the knife switch out. Grab the handle. Grab the handle, won't hurt you. Grab it and pull it down. Now put your fingers over it. Yank it, give it a yank. Go on, muscles. That's it. Push it all the way down, out the way. Alright. Now we're going to go and put the handbrake on.
Can I do it?
You can try.
I'm doing the handbrake.
Radio, mate, you need those big
gonna
65-inch biceppers.
Yep. We already videoed.
Yeah, well, I'm doing it again. Okay. Need another help? Rightio. She's tight.
She's tight.
Good job.
Good job, mate.
Good job, Dave.